Hello students, in this video we will discuss about identities. What is identities? Identities is nothing but this is the relation between trigonometric ratios, and as you know that trigonometric ratios is the relation between angle and sides of right angle triangles. Now we can write the mathematical definition of identities. Relation between trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios is known as identities, or in other words we can say that those relation are true for any numbers are known as for any numbers, right here every numbers, for every numbers are known as identities. Now we write here first inverse identities. Inverse identities. What is the inverse identity? As you know that sin A in this right angle triangle ABC, and this angle is 90 degree. This is the hypotenuse. For this angle, this will be perpendicular and this will be base. One thing you should be note, if you observe angle C on the place of angle A, then position of perpendicular and base side will be changed. If you take angle C, then for angle C, AB will be perpendicular and BC will be base, but hypotenuse will be always remain the same. This hypotenuse will be always to the side opposite of right angle. So base position of base and perpendicular will be depend upon the which angle we observe. Those angle we observe, then opposite side of this angle will be perpendicular, and opposite side of right angle is hypotenuse, and remaining side will be base. Now we take here for angle A, that means BC will be perpendicular, AB will be base, and AC will be hypotenuse. Since sin of A equal to, as you know that, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. About this already we have discussed in previous slide. And cosec of A is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. That means perpendicular upon hypotenuse and hypotenuse are perpendicular, both are reciprocals. Then we can write this. Therefore sin of A equal to P upon H equal to, we can write this H upon P equal to 1 upon sin of A. If you take reciprocal of this, then we should be take reciprocal of left side also. And hypotenuse upon perpendicular is equal to cosec of A. That means this will be cosec of A. So we can write 1 upon sine of A equal to cosec of A, or sine of A equal to 1 upon cosec of A. This type of relation is known as reciprocal identities. From the both, we can take one result. If we multiplied by sine A into the cosec A, or by cosec A into the sine A, this will be give the same result, sine A into cosec A equal to 1. This is not so surprise. Already in the junior classes you have studied the product of reciprocals is always give the 1. Similarly, we can write for another identities cos of A equal to 1 upon sec of A, or sec of A equal to 1 upon cos of A, and give the both result sec of A into cos of A equal to 1. This is the another relations, reciprocal relations. And tan of A equal to 1 upon cot of A, or cot of A equal to 1 upon tan of A, and give the same result, tan of A into cot of A equal to 1. You should be memorize this, and we should be apply these reciprocals identities in your numericals. Now in the next video we will discuss about another type of identities.